Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by restarting the Quest 2 and Guardian. This clears transient sensor glitches. Once rebooted, check the front cameras and gently wipe each lens. Dirt changes contrast and depth cues. Next, remove reflective or shiny clothing and jewelry because they confuse optical tracking. Make sure ambient lighting is even, not a single bright source. Harsh backlight forces the cameras to adjust and lose controllers. These steps establish a clean baseline, so deeper fixes will be effective. Now calibrate by remapping Guardian in the actual play area so features align with what the cameras expect. Once done, control lighting. Diffuse lamps are better than sunlight or blinking LEDs, which create unpredictable reflections. Then repair each controller from the headset settings. Pairing refreshes tracking timestamps and corrects jitter. Make sure the headset and controllers show the latest firmware. Updates include tracking improvements. These actions synchronize sensor data and environmental cues to reduce drift and jitter during play. Finish by testing tracking with pass-through active so you can watch how cameras interpret the room. Move through various poses to verify consistent controller locks. Once satisfied, reset the headset view, and if needed, delete and recreate Guardian to remove bad boundary data. If problems persist despite clean optics, even firmware and environment fixes, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This clears software corruption. If tracking still fails, contact support and mention steps you've tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.